Every day, someone tells you, turn $100 into $1 million in 10 years. That's a lie, and I'm going to prove it with math in the next 60 seconds. But then, I'm going to show you something better, something real. A step-by-step system that actually builds wealth, starting with just $100. Stick with me. Segment 1. Kill the myth. Here's the brutal truth. To turn $100 into $1 million in 10 years, you'd need a 145% return every single year. The stock market averages 7 to 10% a year. Warren Buffett, the greatest investor alive, averaged around 20% a year over his entire career. So if someone online promises you $100 to millionaire in 10 years, they're either lying to sell you a course or pushing you into gambling with crypto and options that can wipe you out overnight. I'm not here to lie to you. I'm here to show you what actually works. Segment 2. The real power, consistency, not a magic number. Here's what nobody tells you. The $100 doesn't matter. What matters is what you do every month after that. If you invest $100 a month into an S&P 500 index fund, averaging 8% a year, in 10 years, around $18,000. In 20 years, around $55,000. In 30 years, around $150,000 plus, that's not overnight riches. That's freedom. That's a system that works while you sleep. And if you increase your contributions as your income grows, this number explodes even higher. Segment 3. Step by step. How to actually start. All right, let's get tactical. Here's exactly what to do. Step by step, starting today. Step 1. Build a tiny safety net first. Before investing, save $500 to $1,000 in a basic savings account. This is your emergency cushion so you're never forced to sell investments in a panic. Step 2. Get your employer match. This is free money. If your job offers a 401k with a company match, contribute at least enough to get the full match. If your employer matches 4% and you don't contribute 4%, you're leaving free money on the table. This is priority number 1. Step 3. Open a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA lets your money grow completely tax-free. You can open one in 10 minutes with brokers like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Vanguard. No fees, no minimums to start. Step 4. Choose a low-cost index fund. Don't pick individual stocks when you're starting out. Choose a broad index fund like an S&P 500 fund. Ticker examples: VOO, FXAIX, SWPPX. These spread your money across hundreds of companies, which lowers your risk. Step 5. Automate it. Set up automatic monthly transfers, even $50 or $100, directly into your Roth IRA or brokerage account. Automation removes emotion. You invest whether the market is up or down, which is exactly how you're supposed to do it. Step 6. Increase it over time. Every time you get a raise, increase your contribution by 1 to 2%. You won't even feel it, but your future self will thank you. Step 7. Don't touch it. The biggest mistake beginners make is panic selling when the market drops. The market will drop sometimes. That's normal. Time in the market beats timing the market. Segment 4. Red flags to avoid. Watch out for anyone promising guaranteed high returns, random crypto signals groups, MLM-style investment clubs, trading bots that promise to 10 times your money. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Real wealth is boring. Real wealth is consistent. Real wealth takes years, not days. Closing/CTA. So here's your homework. Today, open a Roth IRA. Set up a $100 automatic monthly deposit into an S&P 500 index fund. That's it. That's the whole system. If this helped you, hit subscribe and comment below. How much are you starting with this month?